Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the only ramen stock you will ever need. We will begin by gathering essential ingredients like pork bones, chicken feet, and fresh aromatic vegetables. Remember to thoroughly clean and blanch your bones first. This crucial step removes impurities, ensuring a clean, flavorful base for your delicious ramen. You will need a large stock pot, at least 8 quarts, to accommodate everything. Once your ingredients are in the 8-quart pot, cover them with cold water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer. This long, slow cooking process is key. You will simmer for at least 12 hours, consistently skimming any foam or impurities that rise. This ensures a clear, rich, and deeply flavorful broth. During the final 2 hours of simmering, it is time to introduce your aromatics. Add fresh ginger, whole garlic cloves, and green onions to the pot. For an extra layer of umami, include a few dried shiitake mushrooms and a piece of kombu. Remember, adding these too early can make your stock bitter, so timing is everything for perfect flavor. After its long, slow simmer, your ramen stock is ready for the final steps. Carefully strain the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids. You will be left with a beautiful, clear, golden liquid. Cool your stock quickly, then store it in airtight containers. It will keep wonderfully in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next ramen creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.